number 06. Pass to number 29, Dinira, no good. Makukuha pa rin ni number 35 with a jump shot, and that is good shot. Second shot, ready rebound. Second shot, ready rebound. With 7 minutes and 45 seconds to play on the first quarter. Good shot pa rin para kayo. Wala nakukuha ni number 10. Number 10. That's the number 03. With a back to number 10. Number 10, Dinira. Good shot para kayo. Number 10. Wala ang bola makukuha ni number 10. Number 10. Number 10. Number 10, umatake with an undershot. Good shot para kayo. Number 10. Change paper na po tayo. Wala ang bola makukuha ni number 06. Number 23. Pass to number 10. Number 10 with an undershot. Good shot para kay number 10. With 5 minutes, no good. Makukuha ni number 35. Number 35, umatake pa sa number 13 nila. Good shot para kay number 08. This is your moment to shine. Nakuha ni number 99. Pass to number 06. Number 06, 3-0. With number 10 with an undershot. Good shot para kay number 10. Remaining on the first quarter, number 23 with a 3-point shot. And wala ang bola pero makukuha pa rin ni number 23 with a number 33. Pero number 35 nasa ay number 29. Dinira. Good shot para kay number 29. 9 seconds to shoot. To number 10. Number 10. Number 10. Umatake. Nabi pa rin talaga. Nakuha pa rin ni number 10 with an undershot. Good shot para kay number 10. Number 35 with 1 minute and 50 seconds to play. Number 35 passes to number 22 with a 3-point, and that is a 3-point shot. Down. Good shot with good shot para the 3-point and number nakukuha ni number 10 ang bola. Number 10 nagmamadali pinasa kay number 23, and that is an easy 29-27 in favor of Little Tokyo. Number 31 nag-work Dinira. Good shot para kay number 31. Good po yan. Number 31 umaatake si number 31, pinasa kay number 0 Dinira, pero ang basket is count para kay good shot. Dapat pa rin talaga. And